Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, where everyone. Today, I will presentation about the IoT smart irrigation system for potted by using soil moisture by project manager Mr. Ardiman Firmanda. So this is our contribution.
I am Dr. Silagan, Quality Assurance Team Leader.
My name is Fajar Misa Adif as a IoT network engineer.
I am Sohail Osman as IoT Network Engineer.
My name is Ibrahim Matulka as front-end developer.
My name is Fagan Saputo as algorithm developer.
I'm Hermansa as a hardware engineer.
Okay, so first of all, we have a problem statement. What is problem statement here? Water is still done manually by the plant owner. In pastures, water usage due to irregular, no automatic response to change in soil, but owners cannot monitor plant and no historical records of watering. What is objective? Developing an automatic irrigation system based on ESP32 and soil moisture, then applying Fossila algorithm to determine. Then we'll building an IoT web dashboard for monitoring by condition. Then we reduce water consumption using smart irrigation. And the last is make it easier for plant owners to monitor plant condition remotely. Next.
So here we have the product feature. ESP32 as the system controller, soil moisture sensor as we talk with the monitoring, water level sensor in the tank, fuzzy logic algorithm for decision making, automatic water pump, IoT-based Wi-Fi activity, web dashboard for system monitoring, and data storage. The benefits are automatic irrigation and more practical labor saving, efficient water usage, reduces water weight, reduces waste. Remote monitoring can be monitored anytime, adaptive system, more accurate irrigation, data storage, and facilities evaluation and time saving. No need for manual checking. Next. Here we have the flowchart. This flowchart illustrates the complete data flow of our IoT system from sensor input to cloud processing and output. System follows a sequential process data acquisition, data transition, classification, result combination, declassification, and output. Next.
This is a design. The design shall represent an IoT-based smart port system for automatic plant watering. The system uses ESP32 as the main controller connection to sensor, a relay, a water pump, and LCD display. Sensor data is processed using fuzzy logic to determine the watering duration automatically, while monitoring data can be accessed remotely through a web dashboard via Wi-Fi. Next, equipment scheme. The figure show the connection diagram between the ESP32 and the soil moisture sensor, relay pump, and LCD. The sensors send soil condition data the ESP32 via GPIO. Next, the ESP32 process this data to determine the net for watering if the soil is dry. The ESP32 actively relay to automatic turn on the water pump. Next, specification and operation of the device. The device specification, microcontroller ESP32, sensor, soil moisture sensor, actuator, water pump, power supply, communication, Wi-Fi, additional module, relay module. What is a sustainable building? The sensor read soil moisture data in the real time. The data is sent to microcontroller. The system process data using if then rules. If the soil is dry, the water pump turn on automatically. If the soil, the pump turn off. The data can be monitored through an IT dashboard. Next.
This is our implementation and result. The first is hardware, design and assemble the IoT device including sensor, microcontroller, and communication module. The second, install, test, and troubleshoot all hardware, component, and bug of IoT. Third is build a working app, ensure stable data reading and transmission. For construction of physical box casing to organize and protect electronic component. Next is implementation about software. First is connect sensor data to a MySQL database using Moscow over Wi-Fi. Second is build a web dashboard displaying watering statistic and history. The third is implement an authentication security system in InnoCode. Fourth is create an automatic alert system for disconnect and unresponsive sensor. Fifth is achieve stable data synchronization between backend and frontend. And last is fix a critical bug causing the system to expectedly reboot and shut down.
It will be fuzzy logic algorithm. We research scientific journal as a basis for fuzzy logic improve standardization, communication international standard. We implement the fuzzy logic for temperature, soil moisture, and water flow parameter, integrating the fuzzy logic algorithm into the IoT program and validated inference calculation for automated watering the district. Next. Next is testing and integration. We conduct historic automatic watering system testing, perform debugging and error fix across all programs, functionally test the authentication and MQTT or almost to my SQL connectivity. We complete a full integration test across all three main components of IoT that are hardware, fuzzy logic algorithm, and dashboard. Next.
A quality assurance and project management, team coordination and weekly project monitoring across all members with CFPBL and the code review and validation to maintain consistent and quality, develop system test case, functional testing, document and practical testing result in English report. Installation linear calculus, AI, software maintenance, software security, hardware programming, general English, and IoT application developed the project. Next, our documentation on UPBL session. Next, the last is the physiology table. This is a sensor with the 11 soil moisture and water sensor with the category. And then the output is water moisture.
That's all for today. We are sorry about the apologies. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.